Hello everyone, welcome back to Crafting with Slavie, where we make cards and other paper crafts. We're doing another unboxing today. We're going to be super sneaky here and really quick. So this is from my not so local scrapbook store, Scrap Addicts. Here's their information. And let's take a look at what I got. Mostly it's just the Lawn Fawn new release. And if you've been watching my channel, you know that I've been taking some Jen Shirka's classes. So I actually got these two Copic markers as well. The T2, which was out of stock for a while, so it's back in stock now. And then I thought it would be nice to have the BG Quadruple Zero, just for a really nice light greeny bluey color. Then I have Scent with Love add-on and Scent with Love. Now, full disclosure, I hate skunks. So where we live, we have been dealing with skunks and their scent all summer. Driving to work every day, there was always a new skunk on the side of the road, and just smells so awful. So I'm having a really hard time with these sets, but I just love the accessories. So even if you may not see me using the actual skunks, you will definitely see me using the accessories, either with mice or some of the other critters. And who knows, maybe I'll get over my skunk thing, because yeah. Okay, small mini Slimline Stackables, which I'm super excited about, because, you know, it's easier with a die. And the large mini Slimline Stackables. And they, of course, if you line them up, you can see that they stack right inside of the other. So that's nice. And then the Xoxo. I'm not really big into making Valentine's Day cards. So, I mean, it's nice when I have a stamp set with sentiments that I can use for Valentine's Days and other things. I like the Xoxo rather than the Be My Valentine. You'll notice I didn't get that one from the new release because I find the giant Xoxo is going to go really nicely with just love cards. So I definitely have a friend at work, and she said that she wanted me to make her a couple of love cards just to be able to send her to her kids randomly, just letting them know that she's thinking about them and loves them. So I thought that was a nice idea, and that's probably what I'm going to be doing with a lot of this product. And then here's the Valentine Hearts border. I just love this little border. It's so cute, and I can't wait to play with it. And then last but not least, I have the Lots of Hearts background stencils. This is another one of the two-part stencils. And of course you can't actually see it, so I'll take it out of the packaging. And you can kind of see, so it's one layer of hearts, the other layer of hearts. And then when you put them together, you can kind of see how amazing they are. So I've seen some great techniques because, of course, I got this really late. So I can't wait to play with some of the stencil pastes and stuff. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.